Hey third graders, welcome to Module 7, Lesson 13. Today we're going to explore perimeter as an attribute of plane figures and solve problems. That is a very fancy way to say that we're going to explore perimeter. Remember, we're finding out the distance around the rim of a shape as a trait of two-dimensional figures, and we're going to solve those problems. Let's get started. On your notes, I'd like you guys to draw this figure. Do you guys remember what a five-sided shape is called? Yep, it's a pentagon. Okay, so draw this pentagon on your notes and write down all of its measurements. Then we're going to be finding the perimeter. So go ahead and draw it, press pause and press play when you're done. All right, so to find the perimeter of this polygon, we're going to add up all of the side lengths around the rim. So 3 inches plus 3 inches plus 4 inches plus 2 inches plus 4 inches. So when we write that down, we're going to write it like a long addition sentence. So we're going to write it 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. And then we're going to add those up. That's a lot of numbers to add, so of course you can chunk them into bigger numbers. So when I look at this, I see that I have 2 4s, which would be an 8. So I've added those. I see 2 3s, so that would be a 6. And I see a 2 that is left over. Now I know 8 and 2 are 10, plus another 6 is 16. And then I can't forget my units. So it's 16 inches all the way around the perimeter of the shape. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. Write this on your notes, solve the perimeter, and then press play when you're done. Okay, let's see how you guys did. So the rim of this shape, or the perimeter, is going to be 9 plus 9 inches plus 10 inches plus 15 inches plus 20 long inches. Okay, so now we're going to add all those up. So I see that I have 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. For a shape like this, you know, it's okay to check them off, either cross out the ones that you've added up, just to make sure that you've got them all to keep track. However that helps you, you can do it. Okay, so now I'm going to chunk these guys together. So I see 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 10 plus 15 is 25 plus 20. So now I can make this even easier on myself. I can do 25 plus 20 is 45. And then I haven't done anything with that 18 yet. So I can do 18 plus 45. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 10, and then I have 1 10 plus 1 10 plus 4 10s is 6 10s. So I have 63. And I can't forget my units, so inches. So my perimeter is 63 inches. How did you guys do? Okay, here's your next one. Go ahead and copy down this figure, find the perimeter, and press pause and press play when you're done. Okay, so for this perimeter, we have 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30. So when we write our equation to represent our perimeter, we have 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30. And so I like this because I can add up all the 10s in my head. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6 10s, 7 10s plus 5 1s. So I have 75, and then my unit is centimeters. So 75 centimeters is my perimeter. How did you guys do? All right, next one. Go ahead and copy this down on your notes. Press pause and press play when you're done. Okay, so let's talk about the answer. Remember to press pause if you're not done, okay? All right, so I've got 5 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 10. So when I add those up, I have 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3. So I noticed that I have 20, then I have 25, and then I have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I have 31 centimeters as my perimeter. How did you guys do? Okay, so now we're ready for our final problem. I'd like you guys to find the perimeter of shape A and the perimeter of shape B, and then tell me which shape has the greater perimeter. How do you know? So you're going to prove it by actually finding the perimeter of each shape and telling me which one has the greater perimeter. All right, you guys, that's it. I'll see you all tomorrow.